Hello guys. My name is Mary. And I'm here today to talk about Provestra, what you need to know. Provestra is a 100% natural way to help increase your libido and relieve menopause symptoms. Provestra is formulated with 18 ingredients that help regulate the production of hormones, is a safe daily supplement for long-term libido and menopause support. Its powerful formula can bring you results in only 7 days of use. Provestra helps increase natural lubrication, reduces heat waves, improves your sleep, improves your memory, improves sleep, brings back good mood, so you enjoy lighter and happier days next to those you love. Save time and money with a low-cost, homemade treatment, no need for expensive and long-term treatments. Thousands of homans using and recommending Provestra after seeing satisfactory results. 98% of women say they would buy Provestra again. Provestra is recommended by physicians, such as Dr. Manny Alvarez and Dr. Karen Vieira, PhD, among others. About the warning I made at the beginning of the video, several people are selling the counterfeit product, which makes it not have the expected results. Only on the official website the purchase is safe and with guarantees. I will leave the link in the description to the official website with free shipping. If after buying, you don't like it, you can ask for a full refund of the amount paid, 67-day money-back guarantee. If any questions remain, the official website has the answers to the frequently asked questions to help you, and is support available 24 hours to help you. I hope you can also get results like me, which helped me to regain my quality of life and get back to my routine quickly and affordably. Subscribe to the channel to receive the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.